Hey everyone and welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to make a Chrome extension, and in fact you can use that extension in any browser. So if I just show you here, I have an extension which the name of which is get all links, and this extension is made by me. Okay, so let's test this one. So I will just come to a random website here, okay, this Wikipedia website, and I will go to the extensions here, and here you can see my extension which is named get all links. So I will just click on this one, and this will give all the links which is present in this web page. So this is the extension we will be making in this video, which like takes all the a tag links and show to you. Okay, so it is a pretty cool extension and it is like very easy to make. Okay, so let's see how to make a extension in just few minutes. Alright, so I have opened my VS Code, and you can see there are three files here, which is first is JSON, then we have HTML, and then we have JavaScript file. So this JSON file is very important. You need to write some code in JSON file, and with this code, with this JSON file only, the browser will understand that you are writing the code for an extension, and it will treat it as an extension. So what you have to write, first of all, it will JSON is an object, so we will write a curly braces, and here you have to write some properties. So the first one is name. Here you have to provide the name of your extension. So I will just write get all links. Okay, you can provide anything you want. Then the second thing is version. So I will write here version is 1. Like you can give it anything, but it is your first time making an extension, so just write 1 here. It doesn't matter, you can write anything in that. Then I will write manifest, make sure the spelling is correct, manifest version, and this is important. I am writing here 2, but you can also write 3. Okay, and then I will write icons, and here you can provide the image of the logo of your extension. So I will write here another object, it will take and I will write here 16 because it is for 16 by 16 pixels. Okay, so here I will give the path of the image, so I will write ytlogo.png, so which is this image. Let me just show you here. So it is the image of my channel, and after that you can write description. Okay, so description. So in description you have to write the description of your extension. So what is the extension for? So I will write it will display all the links. Okay, write a comma here, and I will give it permissions. So I will write permissions, and in this it will take an array. Okay, it will take an array, and you can write all the permissions here, but you have to write only one thing, which is active tab. That's it. And now the last thing is browser action. So this is also very important, and in this only you will provide the link to your HTML file, because we haven't provided the link to this pop-up HTML, so we will provide it here. So it will take another object, and then I will write default pop-up. So here you have to write the path of your HTML. So I will write popup.html, just like that, and we are done with the JSON file. That's all you have to write in your JSON file. So let's move towards the HTML, and this HTML file is just like all others HTML file you have worked. So you just have to write some tags here and nothing else. I will create a h2 tag, and I will write here all links, and then I will create a div and give it an ID of, let's say, all all links here. Okay, so let's say all links, and inside this div only all the links will lie. And let's just quickly do some CSS. So I have also written the CSS part. Now let's move to the last part and the most important, which is the JavaScript. And for that I will also provide a link here. So I will write script, not only script, so script src, and I will write here popup dot js. Okay, and that's it. And here you have to write the main code. So you cannot just write the simple JS here, because it will treat the HTML part for the JS, but you have to like get the website. So to do that you have to first write some extra code. So let's write that. So I'll write here chrome dot tabs dot query, and it will take some conditions and in a curly braces, and I will write active and I will give it true here. Then another condition, which is current window. So I will write current window, and this will be also true. So in this way you are telling that you want to like do JavaScript in your current window and not the pop-up HTML. Then it will take a function. Okay, and I will write here tabs in the parameters, and inside this you once again you have to write something like this. So like chrome dot tabs, and then you have to write execute script. So this is the function inside which you have you will write all the JavaScript, and it will take a code here, and this code, okay, inside this code only you will like write the code to get all the links. So make sure to see what I will write here. So I will write array, okay, array dot from, and I will write document. So this is a simple JavaScript, okay, nothing advanced here. Document dot get element by id here, not get element by id. All right, get element by tag name. All right, and make sure to write elements because we want all the tags. Then I will write a tag because we want the a tag. All right, okay, and then okay, and here I will write map dot link, and it will be an arrow function, and link will be link dot href because the link will be in href. I will write a comma here, and it will take a function. So I will write a function here, then I will give it a parameter called result, and now from here it is just simple JavaScript. So I will write let array, and then I will write the result, and I will provide the like the index 0. Okay, then I will create a, let's say, parent, a variable, let's say parent div, to get the like the div tag. So I will write document dot get element by id, and I will give the link the id of this one, so this div. Okay, so here it is, and that's it. And then I will run a for loop. So for I is equal to 0, I less than arr dot length, because this, so this array, so this arr will be an array. Okay, so this is a short form for array, and it will run through all the array. Okay, and then so I will, in the for loop, I will create two more variables. which is first is new element. So new document dot create. So create element here. So I will write element, and I will write here a because it will be a link. So I will create a link here, and I will also create a br tag here. Okay, which is like to make a gap between all the links. Then I will write new le dot href. So here I will provide the link and the name. So href, and it will be array dot I, just like that. And I will also write dot inner text, and it will be array dot I. Okay, so these will be same, and you can remove this. Okay, you can remove this, it doesn't matter. Then I will just write parent, and I will just like append these elements here. So I will write parent div dot append child. Alright, so I think you know how to do these, and I will copy this down, and I will write br. Alright, so I think now we are done. Okay, we are done with our extension, and let's see if it works or not. So now let's like see how to add an extension to your website. So you just have to go to Chrome extension. So as you can see here, Chrome extensions, and hit enter, and here you can see all your extensions here, and I have 4 like in extensions. And then make sure this developer mode is on. Then you have to click on this load unpacked here, click on this, and now go to your the main file in which you have written all the code. So I will go to the main file here. So here it is, as you can see, Chrome extension, and I will select the folder, and as you can see here, this will be there, and this is your extension. So let's use it now. So I will come to the same website here, reload the page, and let's see. As you can see here, this is the extensions icon. I will click on that, and as you can see here, this is the extension which we have just made. So let's click on that, and yep, as you can see, it is working great as we expected. And as you can see, it is giving me all the links which is present in this web page. Let's test this extension in other browser. So let's say Brave. Okay, a Brave, I will come to a new page, and for that I will write Brave extension. So for Chrome, you have to write Chrome slash extensions, and from Brave, this one. So hit enter, and as you can see here, for Brave I have no extensions till now. So I will make sure that developer mode is on, and similarly I will click load unpacked, and then I will add the file here. So this Chrome extension, and here it is, our extension is now there. Let's test it. So I will let's like come to a ChatGPT website, and here as you can see the extensions, and here it is, our extension. Let's click it, and yes, as you can see, it is giving me all the links which is present in this website. Guys, this is how you can make a pretty simple extension in just few minutes, and I hope you understand how to make an extension. Now you can add your own ideas, different ideas to make different types of extensions and use it properly. Okay, so it can benefit you a lot. So I hope you understand this video. If you do like the video, hit the subscribe button, and that's it for this video, guys. I will see you in the next one.